Michelle with Pink and Maine. It's February 1st, so it's time to share our new subscriptions for the month. I can't wait to share the fun items that we have for you this month. It's a perfect month to subscribe. So let's jump in and let's take a look. First off, I thought I'd go over our foil subscription. So our foil subscription charges every month on the 5th of the month. So it's the first subscription to go out for the month. You're going to get, for February, a pack of our foilable panels. These are called Spring Posies. You get 8 sheets of them. I have foiled this one. If you can see how beautiful it looks foiled. And then I took the negative and foiled the negative on one of our color art sheets. It looks really cool because you've got some blue flowers, purple, and pink up here at the top, all from that negative background toner piece with the foil in the background there too. So you get a pack of the Spring Posies foilable panels. You also get a pack of our Welcome Spring Foilable Kit. In the Foilable Kit, you get 8.5 by 5.5 sheets. You're going to get 2 each of the patterns that are included, and then 1 each of the icons or sentiments. So you get 2 of these nice little flower backgrounds. I love this one. We've got some ladybugs. There's some dragonflies. And then here's one of our sentiment sheets. Got springtime is the best time. Flowers, live life in full bloom. Rain, spring is here. Robins, sunshine, daffodils, raindrops, spring. Grow through what you go through. Live life in full bloom. We've got a little flower market sentiment there. And then the second one, we've got this little block of spring sentiments. We've got spring is in the air, happy spring, it's springtime, and welcome spring. And then we've got a nice little jar with flowers there. So you can make some great foiled cards with this foilable kit. And as I always say, I recommend keeping your foilable kit inside, even the cut pieces that you cut, keep them inside this little folded sheet here. It'll keep them nice and clean and ready to use. But you wouldn't have a foil subscription without the foil. So this month is called Ombre Pastel. The camera just never does the foil justice. This is a beautiful ombre stripe of pastel colors. You've got pinks, yellows, teals, a little purple in there. They remind me of Easter. They remind me of spring, Easter eggs, flowers. It's really pretty, and that is what I foiled those Spring Posies with that were so gorgeous. We offer a huge value with our foil. You get 25 feet on a roll. Our next 2 subscriptions are the Stamp of the Month and the Stamp and Die of the Month. So our Stamp and Die of the Month, the automatic charge goes through on the 10th of each month. And if you subscribe to the Stamp of the Month, you get 4x6 stamp set delivered to you. And if you subscribe to the Stamp and Die of the Month, you get the stamp and the coordinating die. This month, the stamp set is called Easter Fuzzies. And these are some of the cutest little fuzzy bunnies and fuzzy chicks that you've ever seen. And then we've got the sentiment Happy Easter. We've got a bunny with some balloons, with an egg, a little jelly bean. We've got the bunny and the chick here painting the egg. Look at this one down here stuck in the Easter basket. We've got a little chick with some eggs and a little egg carton there. Just some really cute stamps for spring and Easter. That is our Stamp and Die of the Month. If you are already a subscriber, of course you know you're going to get all these items. If you're not a subscriber, this is the perfect month to subscribe. As a subscriber, you always get an automatic 15% off on our website on the other purchases that you make. but we're making a little change to that next month. So starting in March, all of our new subscribers will get a 10% discount on everything. But if you've been a subscriber and you're already a subscriber, as long as you stay a subscriber, you'll be grandfathered in to that 15% discount. Once you cancel your subscription, that 15% will go away, and if you resubscribe, it will be 10%. The reason we're doing that is because we don't want to raise our prices right now, and things have gotten more expensive, just like everything else. Things for us have gotten more expensive, but we thought an easier way to do it, perhaps for everyone, is just to change our discount a little bit, but still offer a discount if you're a subscriber. It's just if you subscribe after February, meaning if you subscribe from March 2024 going forward, your automatic discount will be 10%. But as long as you subscribe this month or you're already a subscriber, your discount will be 15%, and it will be locked in at 15% as long as you stay an active subscriber. I'm pulling out the contents of our Crafty Courtyard kit this month. This is our monthly subscription kit, and the automatic charge for the kit goes through on the 15th of the month. I get asked sometimes if we can combine all the subscriptions together and ship them together. Right now, we do not have the means or the manpower, I should say, to do that. So we do have to do them separately so that we can keep up with all of them at the moment. But that's something we might work towards in the future. So in our monthly subscription kit, you're going to get your handy zippered mesh bag. That's great for lots of different uses. Let's see what our February kit has in store. Okay, I get so excited to share these kits with you every month. Get to see everything come together that I have planned and designed. So exciting, and I hope you love it as much as we do here. And I have to say also, our kit gives you such a huge value. It'd be hard for you to go anywhere else and find the value that we put into our kits. So here is the February 2024 Crafty Courtyard kit. The theme of the kit is Pop Flowers. We have a list here of what's inside. We have our color palette. And then on the back of our flyer, I've given you some card sketches just to kind of jumpstart your creativity. Once you receive your kit, you can start creating some cards. Cardstock. These are some fun spring colors. So we have our Salon Pink. Instead of our middle school blue, we're giving you a beautiful blue foiled piece of paper. Just a little extra specialty paper this month. We have our Sunny Sky Light Blue, our Moss Green, which is a really spring green. We have Street Light Yellow, Construction Orange, and we have 2 white 100-pound cardstocks. So you're going to get all the cardstock you need to start creating some cards. Of course, we have a beautiful sequin mix for you. It matches all the colors in the kit. These are extra iridescent and sparkly, very pretty. Got our Pop Flowers paper pad. So here's all the colors in the kit. We've got plaids, we've got ginghams, we've got little flowers, stripes, and we have little tone-on-tone butterflies. These are tiny little butterflies. It's a really cute spring paper pad. I can't wait to make some cards with this. This month we have some sticky pearls. So these are self-adhesive pearls in some gorgeous colors that match the colors in the kit. We have a stamp set. This is called Take Care. So it's got some great sentiments in a really nice trendy font. It says happy birthday, hello friend, thank you, take care, happy spring, I'm here for you. Then we've got congratulations, thinking of you, and I miss your smile. So some just great all occasion versatile sentiments. You're also going to get the coordinating dies for the stamp set, so you can cut all of those sentiments out with the dies. Check this out. You're also getting another large die set. This is the Pop Flowers dies, and I'm going to have to show you this one in another video. So this one down at the bottom, it cuts out part of a butterfly. The other side is some flowers that will cut out, but the flowers don't cut out completely, just the petals, so they pop up. That's where I get the pop flowers. The petals in the die, they just pop up in the paper. You also get a wreath with flowers, butterflies, and some leaves, and the flowers again, they pop up. So this super fun set of dies. And again, I'll be doing another video where I show you these because these are really fun. And last but certainly not least, you're going to get the Pop Flowers stencil. So this is a 2-part stencil. It'll do a card size stenciling here of a group of flowers and then the leaves. So it's a layering stencil all in one. That's the Pop Flowers stencil. Thanks so much for joining me today to take a closer look at our February 2024 new subscriptions. I hope you love them as much as we do. It's a perfect month to subscribe. Again, everyone subscribing this month, or if you've already been a subscriber, your discount will remain at 15%. And starting next month in March, it will change to 10%. So it's a great month to subscribe and start receiving Happy Mail every month at your door. Until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.